What's up everyone, this is Masa Shibata from Bangkok, Thailand. How are you guys doing? Today I bought some stuff from MUJI. I bought stuff from MUJI that I've always kind of wanted in my daily lives, and I'm a big fan of MUJI. I've been using their products since I was in high school, and I love them. So I didn't really have any plans on buying these stuff, but I ran into a MUJI store which was pretty huge in a mall nearby the MRT station, the metro, the subway, called Samyan Station. I was actually going there to apply for my visas. After I finished that, I was strolling around the place and I saw the MUJI shop, very huge with basically all the MUJI products that are available, and I decided to pick some stuff up. So I'll be sharing that with you today. Let's start. First of which is these are body towels. I've always used a small, like a sponge body towel, and it's really hard for me to go on my back and scrub, so I needed like a longer piece of cloth. These are cotton pile. I'm not sure what exactly that is, but it's not nylon, which nylon is very good to make the body wash bubble and everything, and it really does feel good, but it's not really good for your skin, so I'd rather be using something like this, a cotton or linen or something more on the natural side. By the way, 190 bahts. Next is boom! That is towel hanger. You can actually see it right now, but I always didn't have one of these for my kitchen, and what I'm doing right now is something like that. See that? That is my kitchen towel situation. So that's my second product. Next, word cards. I bought these to enhance my Thai learning experience. Let's get studying in 2021. Next up, these are incredible. These are innovative. It is called, what's it called? It's not really called anything, is it? Well, it's a kitchen paper holder, and I'll show you exactly what it will do. It's very simple. It has a magnet, and you stick it onto like a refrigerator or something, and you know what it does. You put the paper towel in. Very, very convenient and innovative. Next. Ooh, yeah. So these are spatulas. Do you call these This isn't really a spatula, is it? It doesn't really say anything. It's one of those spatula-like things. I don't know what you call these, but I really love the silicone, and they are really good because you can really scrape without worrying that it might scrape the bottom of your pan or whatever you're using to cook with. I want to use it for like mixing when I stir fry things, so. And next is my final, the monthly weekly planner. You know, I'm addicted to journaling and scheduling stuff and notebooks and things like that. I can make an entire video about notebooks and journals and calendars, schedules, and planners and things like that. But anyways, I decided to buy the 2021 version. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it says 2021 over here. Can you see that? Yeah. I've never seen this before, but MUJI actually came up with this kind of a fake suede touch thing. It actually feels pretty good. It's very simple, I like it. There's the monthly, and you have the weekly here with spare page, a square ruled page for every week, and you have some extra notebook space in the end, and that's basically it. And very simple, very minimal, and I love it. So my shopping for the MUJI products could not end yesterday. So I really got into my organization and everything. I just had to buy some extra stuff from MUJI that I will be showing you right now. I know this is a whole lot more than I expected, but actually they're just big stuff that's in the bag, so let's check them out. So I got some stuff for organization. So first up, I got 2 of these cases so that I can use them to organize my cupboard on the kitchen. And I also have some other things in here. So 2 of these. Next, I've got these little guys. I'll be using these to organize my bedside table drawer, which is a mess. Just in case these will be too small, I got a bigger one right here. Oh, here's the next one. These are actually used for silverware, things that you eat with, like forks, spoons, or knives. But I'll be using this to organize my shoe cleaning stuff. It's kind of lying around right now over there, so I want to neatly organize them. Another one we have here. This wasn't really much of an organization thing, but yep, these clips go on my potato chips. Next up, file box. By the way, all of these products that I'm showing right now, they had either the white like this or the not transparent but kind of a cloudy transparent color, so that you can kind of see what's inside. And I chose for the kitchen stuff, I chose this one because I want to be able to look at it at a glance and see what's in there. And this I got for my files to, I have like some files and books lying around in my living room, so I want to be able to put them in here and stack it in the bottom of my TV right there in this space. I want to organize my stuff and just leave it in there clean. Alright, so I've got one last thing, which is this. Yep, these are the acrylic case of 3 rows. I wanted to put this on my bedside table. Here's all the stuff that I bought today, and I will start to organize. That is the cupboard that I was talking about. It has like these stocks, vegetable stocks, things like that. You know, some just those random cooking stuff. So I want to organize them in these guys right here. Looks clean. Is that good? Looks organized to me. Cool. Just looking around if there are any other files that I can put in here because I still have space. I realized I had some files that I evacuated into my bedroom because it was kind of messy lying around here. It's just my Thai, learning Thai stuff. Okay. Next up is my shoes, shoe cleaning kit. My shoe cleaning kit will be going in this guy here, which is originally made for silverware, but anyways. Just like that. It's not perfect, but good enough. This is the most devastating part. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Bit that broke. I don't really need to keep them, but I don't know why by just keeping them. By the way, I'll show you in another video, but this will be the next planner that I'll be using. Oh wait, no, not the planner, sorry. Well, it is a planner, but it's a daily diary planner. So I used to journal in this one right here. This is I'm not sure if it's a Japanese one. I bought this in Japan and it's really convenient. I like the size, but unfortunately I can't find them here in Bangkok and I can't go back to Japan. So I bought a Moleskine 2021 daily diary planner, and I'll be journaling every single day with this. I'll make another video on that. Still messy, but better than before. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!